To import contacts on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open your phone dialer. Next step is to go to the contacts and here click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings. After that, we'll be able to find options to import or export contacts, and then you have four different options for importing. First one is via Bluetooth, so if you want you can enable Bluetooth and then import them from other device using a Bluetooth if other device also supports it. I would honestly avoid this option since in most of the cases it won't work. Then there's import via direct Wi-Fi direct. And you can also use this, but I would not recommend it because it's kind of complicated to do it, and there's a bunch of easier ways. So if you have Wi-Fi direct set up and other devices also use it, you can then select this device and import them from it. You can import it from SIM card, so if you store all of the contacts on your SIM card, you can import them to different storage from your SIM card into your device storage or your Google account if you have it logged in. And lastly, I think the best way to import it is to import it from storage. If you select this option, you can select which storage area should be imported to. So we're gonna go for device only, and then we can select the file. In this case, I should have it in my downloads folder. And we can pick the contacts file that we want to import into our contacts. So to create that file, because that is probably what you're wondering, you need to go to your other device and create the contacts file. To do it, usually it's the same way. So you go to your contacts app, click on the three dots, then settings, and then you can export contacts and export them into the storage. Select the area from which you want to export, and then you'll be able to create a file, usually in downloads folder. After that, you need to move this file from the downloads folder of your older device to this one, and then you can safely import them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.